The 2022-2023 Fecafoot Northwest General Assembly has taken place. Meeting on Friday, February 24, 2023, members of the General Assembly brainstormed on how the Regional Football League will take place this football season.
It will really be a competitive championship. Whoever will qualify this year, we are sure that he's going to bring us an elite ticket. We will have the play-ups and the play-downs for teams that will be relegated to the divisional leagues. And this year we equally have divisional championship. That will equally play interdivisional championship for teams to be promoted at the level of the regional league.
The football season, which is to start in the days ahead, is expected to have many innovations.
As concerns what the measures we are taking this year, we are taking the league to Tuba. It's going to be the first time that the regional league is going to be played away from the Mezam Center, that's Bamenda 1, 2, and 3, or Bamenda Center. Since we took over office, for once we played the mini interpost there, but largely the league has been played between Bamenda 1 and Bamenda 3. So this time around, we are going to use 3 selected stadia in Tuba, and then we are going to use 2 in Bamenda 3 and 1 in Bamenda 1. And you saw the presentation from the Marketing and Media Commission. They are actually working hard to see that they partner with some media houses and we award the man of the match on every top match day. The General Assembly recommended to us that we should work with enterprises, state corporations to see how we can have some monies into the regional league.
Newly promoted clubs in the regional league like Zot United and Tuba United are strategizing ahead of the championship.
Well, as for the teams of United, it's a newly born vision. And the word of God says in Abako that you write down the vision so that you run with the vision. God should give us the strength, give us the wisdom to push the team to go ahead, because if you don't have knowledge and wisdom, you will not do anything. We believe that with the power of God in Zot United, it will stand. We take care of our players, support them emotionally and financially.
Our mission is nothing else than my club, under my support and push, need to go to the second division. Our players are intact, their training, their equipments are almost intact. I don't think that there's anything holding them. When it now depends on the players, their goodwill to play well and let's achieve our goal.
Out of the 32 clubs, only 1 will represent the Northwest region at the National Interpose. Meanwhile, 3 clubs will automatically be relegated into the Divisional League.